Today we are going to draw a dinosaur together. This drawing will involve a lot of ovals, so kids can start by learning how to draw elongated ovals. Without further ado, let's start drawing with the teacher. First, at the bottom of the paper, draw various large and small elongated ovals. Once the ovals are drawn, we will begin to outline the dinosaur's body. To start with the dinosaur's body, we can draw a large number 8. Then add the dinosaur's mouth, but remember not to connect them yet. In the blank space, we will draw the dinosaur's eyes. Next, draw a small dinosaur, and use the same method to draw 2 larger dinosaurs. Once they are drawn, fill in the eyes of the first dinosaur. Using a jagged line, draw fierce spikes on the dinosaur's back. Repeat this process to complete the shape of each dinosaur. After the dinosaur shapes are finished, we will move on to completing the patterns of the elongated ovals. These elongated ovals can represent various types of plants. You can follow the teacher's example, or use your imagination to create your favorite plant shapes. In addition to the ovals, you can add lively branches or scattered leaves in the blank spaces above. Once these are done, we can start coloring. For coloring, kids can choose a variety of colors they like. This will make the entire drawing look more vibrant and saturated. Kids who are not confident with colors can follow the teacher's coloring sequence. The coloring process is the most important part of the entire drawing, so take your time and don't rush. Pick your favorite colors and use them appropriately. Once the leaves are colored in, our drawing is complete. Let's take a look at the finished artwork. Kids, did you learn how to do it?